gotta hit both at the same time.
Right, and then you can select whether you want 1 foot pedal, left,
2, right, or left and right.
left and right.
So if you got 2 people on here, sometimes.
They both have to hit the foot pedal.
So nobody gets.
Oh, that's a nice safety feature.
Yeah, it actually is.
Right. So it's a Cincinnati.
I use doesn't have a back gate, so I use the front stop.
Right.
I set my stops off the front. Off the rear.
Yep.
Hold your piece there, bring it down,
Very
touch
good.
it. You know.
Well, bring it up, but bring it down again. There we go. 750 ton Cincinnati. 16 foot overall. Palm buttons. Safety switch in the back. Safety switches up front with the light curtains. Alright, I think that's about it. Now, does it have a rapid and then a speed, press speed?
No, it's pretty much slow.
It's pressing speed the whole way.
Yeah. I think we're gonna miss it. Guys, they don't listen to me.
Yeah, it's a nice machine.
I got 10 months left, that's all I